Introducing the evadeclip. This ultra-slim tool features a stainless steel mini saw, a carbide rod saw, and a 3-piece lockpicking set. The integrated clip in minimal size means easy attachment and concealment on your clothing in a pocket or in a bag. After removal, you can flip up the mini saw to cut rope, cordage, and plastics, or your carbide saw for metals. And the 3-piece lockpick set includes 2 of the most versatile picks and tensioners.
Starting today, that includes some of the places he hasn't been able to go.
Gate 72, Row 12, Seat A.
Introducing Tread, the first multi-tool that lets you be the one who gets it done. Anyway. Tread is 25 hard-working tools you wear on your wrist, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, hex and box wrenches, even a cutting hook and a bottle opener. So regardless of the job, the right tool is always at hand. Tread features 11 interchangeable links, each crafted from injection-molded 17-4 stainless steel. There's an optional Swiss-made timepiece, water-resistant to 200 meters, with a shock-resistant sapphire crystal. And it all comes with a choice of 2 rugged finishes. Tread, the go-to, go-anywhere tool from Leatherman.
Energy and clean technology are the future, and GoSun is leading the way. In just a few years, GoSun has over 25,000 customers who are cooking under the sun and transforming their lives to make a sustainable difference. In the developing world, GoSun is disrupting deadly cooking habits for millions of families seeking clean, safe, and less costly solutions. In 2018, GoSun launched a hybrid solar-electric stove, revolutionizing outdoor cooking and creating the world's most efficient electric oven. Collaborating with the American Red Cross, we sent 1,500 portable solar ovens to aid victims of the worst typhoon in 80 years. In 2019, GoSun will launch a self-sufficient kitchen with both fuel-free refrigeration and cooking capabilities. Charging forward at light speed, GoSun is missing only one key to success.
Advanced Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Fobo Tyre is the first TPMS to use Bluetooth Low Energy. Fobo Tyre comes with a 3-level alert telling you when the tire is merely underinflated or if it is dangerous to continue driving. Fobo Tyre alerts you of a tire leak even when you're away from your car, giving you time to get it fixed. You will always be on time for your important appointment. Have more than one car? Fobo Tyre monitors multiple cars simultaneously. You can even share Fobo Tyre with others through our cross-car technology. And it's great for families, no matter who is using the car. Fobo Tyre is intuitively designed for quick and easy installation. Fobo Tyre has an inbuilt theft deterrent feature and notification when the sensor is missing. It monitors your car tires continuously 24 hours every day, giving you and your family peace of mind for a safe and comfortable ride. Fobo Tyre monitors for you so that you can enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching my video. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.